This is a set of Wera tools dedicated for repairing and regulating guitars. In the nylon case with the extra strap for Wera to go system, you will find all items nicely organized. The Knipex pliers are designed to cut hard wire and are perfect for guitar strings. The Kraftform handle with Rapidaptor can be used with all the included bits. 2 Phillips, 3 slotted, including one short and wide for Gibson 2 pneumatic bridges, and small hex 0.05 inch. Sockets in sizes 10, 7/16 of an inch and ½ inch can be inserted using the provided adapter. The long socket can be also used with the input jacker for screwing down the 1/4 inch jack socket. The last thing to be used with Kraftform handle is a plastic string winder. In the set, you also get 9 Allen keys in various sizes. One end is made with Hex Plus technology, while the other is a ball for better fit. Regulating truss rod can be done with the help of a gauge feeler. To test your guitar, you can use the 2 picks from the metal box. Check TME's website to find more details about this and more products. Browse through over hundreds of thousands of items and get everything you want. You need it, we have it.